Charlie, Voxy drivers amongst them safe and serious as a country. Say I'm for Voxy for we almost serious a problem will come. Men no kasa see accident kese AC ewo Bogoso Tintimhwe police barrier no say oh fa curve nim akwa Yareyeya Voxy and a tipper truck curve ne ohona what's a police barrier na curve na sorry if you be curve ne ohona accident kese AC Yareyeya 3 people are gone. Voxy driver gone. Mama na neba gone. Insure to talk. Drivers, you're very careful. Weather no, and a quiet no, a very dangerous. Ye pe quiet pa. Inti ye nya but say am fa quiet no so a be haye na. Mama na neba they are gone. Ni amete say tipper driver no edwane. We don't know alleged say we edwane. We don't know say or reported who they are, we don't know. But the item say tipper driver no edwane. Mommy careful on the road. Madam brother Elvis Asi for the video say chobi. Yamen kon bibia ho. It's rainy season, you best say drivers. From Asama Boateng Foundation, yes, the drivers, yenya abotre on our routes. Medo BBS. Your friend is sexy, go between your friend Mr. Bogoso.